everyone, welcome to our fall nail art tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through creating 6 cozy and chic nail design inspired by the beautiful colors of autumn. We will be using a warm and inviting color platy that includes orange, light gray, aqua, pink, blue, brown, and more. Whether you are nail art enthusiasts or simply looking to embrace the spirit of fall, for this tutorial we have picked a warm and inviting color palette. Think orange, light gray, aqua, pink, blue, and brown. Let's kick things off with our first design. Start by applying a base coat of orange, then blend in some touch of cozy chic nail design. A cozy and colorful choice for fall. Moving on to a second design, we will use light orange and light gray design to create stylish, beautiful lines that add a chic touch to your nails. Elegance meets autumn charms. Now let's explore our third design. Combine light gray and orange once more for a look that captures the essence of fall. You see this design and how much simple and easy created by this design, and you looks amazing, create nice wonderful design, simple yet undemandingly autumn inspired. Next up is our fourth design. Incorporate blue and orange to give your nails a refreshing twist. You see this design how much created by simply and added a orange color and so much wonderful created by this design. A pop of color that stand out. For our fifth design we are using light gray, aqua and brown to create a unique combination that exudes cozy autumn vibes. So warm and style all in one. This nail design, 3 color use it. Finally, our sixth design combines brown and aqua for destinies with fall inspired looks. Thank you. Have it 6 cozy and chic nail art design perfect for the autumn session. Please subscribe my channel.